Hi everybody and welcome to Booze Clues! Thank you for joining us today here on Booze Clues. We are doing the letter... Can anybody tell me what letter we're doing today? We are doing the letter F. The phonetic sound I'm listening for today is the action is like pumping up a bicycle tire or a balloon. You go together. The action. Okay, let's have a look at my table. Everybody, we have things on our table today. Let's see if they begin with the letter F. We have an chicken. We have a fire truck. My fox. A frog. Mince. Toilet paper. I have a freezy. My glasses. A farmer. My fish, my cup, my flamingo, and my owl. Okay, can you tell me today how many things on my table begin with the letter F? One more glance to my table, Miss Linda, would you? Oh, and we have a flag. Ready? I hope you guys paid attention. Okay, I'm just going to scooch these things over here, and we're going to write the letter F. Miss Linda. I didn't push these things in very good today. Okay, we are going to start our letters from the top. I remembered. Shh, don't tell anybody I remembered. Okay, ready? Here we go. We start right here from the top. We go down, across, up, full uppercase F, and not quite all the way. F. Start from the top. This one's kind of funny. Start here, and I go like kind of up and down. And I go across. So I'm going to start here one more time. Starting from the top, I go down. I go across. And across a little ways this way. I have my friend here, Kitty Cat, giving me a hand. Start here at the top again. I go up, curve, around, down, and across. The letter F. Thank you, my friends, for visiting me on this day and doing the letter F. The sound I'm listening for is, the action is, thank you guys. Come back to Booze Clues and join me again. See you later.